Đi sampai dah. Nak tu je bang. Maju ambil beli dengan tuan Tano. Buat rumah tu bukit. Ni dah aku ambil. Malam ni.
I see a ship on the horizon coming up, and I'm realizing it's time for another uprising. I'm in this attack by surprise, and the vast maze fire up the cannon right on the enemy's vessel. It's learning. Look at all these ships sinking low and going down with the captain that's going under. Let no man put us under. When me and my ships rolling like thunder. Ghost fire on the seven seas fire. When the flames get higher, fire on the seven seas fire. Pump that candle when the flames get higher, fire on the seven seas fire. Pump that candle when the flames get higher, fire on the seven seas fire. Pump that candle when the flames get higher. Still on the high seas, smelling that salt of the ocean breeze, feeling that heat of the sun on my face with a yo ho ho and a bottle of rum. When you see my flag in the distance, you better run and call for assistance. Cause we're coming on the pillage, killing all the men and taking all the gold and the riches in the village. Pull up the anchor, swap with the bounty, headed for the east where my enemies found me. They wanna take me for
Apa dia? Ha? Jogan. Jogan. Tak ada langsung. Wah. Dah lah.
Ada yang satu aku punya yang bungkus tu ke? Yang satu lagi tu, batang dia.
Kau sayang tak? Ni.
Dia lepas dia kita kejar sebab kau ambil. Majilah saya angkat dah. Nampak lawan 10 hari dia kita kejar. Ni kita kejar tu.
Nóng đâu? Đi đây.
Quay này.
Bố xem.
Có nóng đâu?
Mancing, oh mancing kolam.